Welcome to the November HR Insights. I'm going to use this channel as a means of privileged communication within our HR department. And apologies in advance that this video may be a little longer than normal, 2 minutes, but the subject matter is quite an important one. You've probably heard from the recent Staff Association presentation that the organisation is facing a financial challenge. So what exactly is this challenge and how does it impact us? Well, in the context of rising inflation and increasing electricity costs, moving from 22 to 23 prices, the CERN contributions require a 10% increase. However, the corridor principle of member state contributions provide for a maximum of 2%. This therefore means we've got an 8% shortfall, which for 2023 alone represents more than 100 million Swiss francs. And this is obviously compounded in the long run. Estimated impact of all issues combined over the next 10 years is almost 1 billion Swiss francs. So the idea is to go to our member states in December with a package of efforts from all three parties concerned, CERN, the personnel and the member states themselves. The organisation is to make saving efforts, for example by extending the technical stop, which reduces electricity consumption amongst other items. The member states are asked to contribute above and beyond the maximum corridor of 2%, and the personnel are asked also to make a contribution. The member states, in fact, specifically asked to see efforts from the personnel. Now, on the personnel side, the Staff Association has already come forward with the proposal of a 2.5% crisis levy, and I'd like to thank them to take this opportunity to thank them because this is a significant effort and in line with the member state expectations, and it really does show a broad picture thinking of both the personnel and the organisation and future of CERN. From the HR side, there are 2 additional CCPs and an additional TREF dedicated entirely to this topic. Our goal is to show that we've been sort of the bon élève and studied a variety of options, from hiring freezes to non-indexation, concluding that perhaps many of them are detrimental and shouldn't be pursued. I'm in contact with my counterparts at ESO, EMBL and ESA to understand their strategy. Many of our member state delegates are the same. So for example, knowing that ESO and EMBL have implemented forms of hiring freezes, or that ESO have actually sacrificed their annual step in order to pursue the route of indexation, puts us in a position able to benchmark and understand question from those member state delegates. There are items we all have in common, where we have a common view, such as the importance of protecting indexation, and there are items where, in my view as head of HR, it'll certainly different from those views of people looking at this from more purely financial perspective. There will be a set of management proposals for CCP next week, and you've seen the Staff Association proposals that have been put forward in the referendum. Consultation will be key to a successful outcome in order to have a common position before the next TREF, and subsequently to present a measured and balanced package at the Council in December. I'll do my very best to keep you informed regularly on this important topic, which risks to impact each and every one of us. In the meantime, if you have any concerns or questions, please don't hesitate to let us know. Wishing you all the best and speak to you soon. Thank you for your attention.